Last week, Misawa Air Base's security forces received a 911 call saying a suspicious package had exploded at the base theater. Emergency response teams quickly responded to the call, which was part of a full-scale training exercise designed to test their readiness and capabilities.
The last emergency management exercise we conducted here on base, specifically for first responders, was back in August of '09. It's been a while since we've focused on our standard contingency operations from a peacetime perspective.
The training scenario involved a small chemical explosive device planted by a disgruntled airman. Security forces apprehended the suspect and practiced search and initial interrogation procedures. Next, the Explosive Ordnance Disposal Squadron deployed an unmanned vehicle to survey the area, test contamination levels, and ensure that the device posed no further threat of detonation. Once given the all-clear, bioenvironmental and civil engineering readiness teams moved in to clear the scene. Procedures for enlisting Japanese military and civilian aid were also rehearsed.
The med group on base identified some shortfalls that they might need to coordinate with the local hospitals to fill, and they knew exactly how to do that. So I think it sort of highlighted our ability to interface with the local community and the strong relationship that we have with them.
Roughly 50 personnel from at least 7 units participated in the operation. This emergency management exercise ensures that the 35th Fighter Wing remains proficient, capable, and ready to respond to crises of any kind. Airman Jimmy Moreland, Misawa Air Base, Japan.